Hello everyone, today I want to show you this gorgeous high-rise apartment. It has fantastic lighting that comes from the huge windows. They're slide open windows, and the whole area, just the living room, the kitchen combined with the entryway, just looks so classy. The kitchen, as you can see here, has all new appliances. In fact, the whole building is brand new. Here you can see the cabinets open, just so you can see what your storage looks like. Check out the indirect lighting, I love that. This apartment runs for 1,440,000 won per month. For us soldiers, that means that it's affordable for all ranks, private on up. This glassed off area can be a library or an office. Here's the bathroom just inside the entryway. It has a rain shower head, which I think we all love. This apartment comes with a tucked away washer dryer set, again, brand new. On the right side of this picture is the master bedroom. This furniture comes with the apartment, or you can have it removed if you want to bring your own things. Straight ahead is the window and patio area for the master bedroom. And up on the ceiling is a brand new air conditioner. On the side of the patio area is where the utilities are stored, and it can be additional storage. This is the makeup station on the way to the bathroom from the master bedroom. And it's directly opposite of the closet with all of this built-in storage. Here is the master bathroom. Now we return to the main living area to show you the second bedroom, just off of the living room. It's a small room, but it can definitely be used for guests or a little one. Now we're going to make our way out of this apartment up onto the roof. There is a lot of space out on this roof. That's one thing that's cool about Korea, is a lot of the buildings here tend to utilize the rooftops. This is a good party space, hangout space, barbecue space, heck, even a hammocking space, whatever you want to use it for. If we look down, here's an inner courtyard, and those are entryways to a lot of the other apartments. So all of the apartments, most of the apartments end up walking straight out into the foyer. I could definitely see myself doing morning workouts out here, just taking advantage of the space on the roof. Plus, here's a great patio for barbecuing with your friends. Now just enjoy the view of all of Pyeongtaek from the rooftop. As we come back downstairs, here's the inner courtyard I was telling you about earlier. Now let's go down to the basement. Down here are 6 floors of parking. I can't imagine the residents would ever have an issue finding a parking spot. As an additional note, this apartment and every other apartment and house that Western Real Estate shows does allow you to bring your pets. As we make our way out of the building and check out the street view, here's the entryway, and take note that this apartment is within walking distance to the walk-in gate of Camp Humphreys. That means no car, no problem. You can walk, bike, scooter your way into work each day. There's also taxis on post. This building is literally just outside of the Ville, so you have access to tailors, restaurants, bars, clubs, pretty much anything you might need. Actually, I'll give you a sneak preview of what the Ville looks like. At the end of this video, you'll see a link to a full tour of the Ville if you want to see more. In the meantime, here are some snapshots of some great places to go, and the entranceway to Western Real Estate, which is also right down the road. Thanks for checking out this video. Feel free to contact Michael at his contact information right here if you've got any further questions. If you're interested in checking out more houses or what to do around Korea, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this. Take care.